Just the US lawmakers, but New York Mayor Zohran Mamdani has also written a letter to Omar Khalid, and in that letter he has written that we are thinking of you. This is a letter that has emerged. In that handwritten note which has surfaced on social media, Mamdani reflected on a previous interaction with Khalid and expressed solidarity with him. That letter mentions, and I quote, "Dear Omar, I think of your words on bitterness often and the importance of not letting it consume oneself. It was a pleasure to meet your parents," Mamdani wrote, also adding that we all are thinking about you is what has been mentioned. And this letter, in fact, now has gone viral on social media. This is a letter that has been written by New York Mayor Zohran Mamdani. For more on this, let me go across to consulting editor Srinjoy Chaudhary. Srinjoy, this is a letter that has been written by New York Mayor Zohran Mamdani. And in that letter, he has mentioned that we are all thinking about you. He also, in fact, wrote about meeting the parents of Omar Khalid as well. Take us through the letter and what, in fact, the reaction has come in from India on this.
Well, first of all, the Omar Khalid issue is an internal matter of India. So if he wants to write a personal letter, that's a completely different issue. But the Omar Khalid issue, because he has been arrested for reasons that relate to terrorism, is a completely internal security matter. And how would it look if the mayor of New Delhi wrote to anyone in America who has been arrested for rioting or terrorism? He is perfectly, or she is perfectly entitled to write the letter. But the point is that this issue of Omar Khalid relates to an internal national security issue. So if he is writing to Omar Khalid expressing solidarity, well, that's within the rules. But the question is, how does it look? That is something the mayor himself should consider.
Absolutely, and not just Zohran Mamdani. We're learning that 8 US lawmakers, they've also mentioned as far as bail to Omar Khalid is concerned. So Srinjoy, take us through that letter as well. What does it state?
Well, once again, this is an internal matter for India. So if 8 senators and congressmen have written, that's fine. But this relates to national security. It relates to India's security. It relates to a terrorism charge. This will be dealt by the Indian judicial system, which in 75 years has proven that it works very well. So why should there be any interference?
Absolutely.
If this can be construed as interference in India's internal systems?
Absolutely, this is interference as far as India's internal matters concerned. One letter that has been written by 8 US lawmakers and another by New York Mayor Zohran Mamdani.